In this module, we'll discuss how to enable batch-wise tracking for your inventory items. Firstly, while adding a new item, under the stock management section, you'll see an option of tracking method. Just select batch-wise tracking and click on create batch. Once you click on create batch, a new batch creation page will appear. Here, you need to add details such as batch name, batch code, cost price, selling price, vendor, and opening stock. But the mandatory details would be batch name, batch code, and the opening stock. Here, I'm adding the batch name as batch 1, but you can customize the batch name and batch code according to your business requirements. If you have enabled warehouse management for your business, you need to add the details of warehouse as well. Once you're done adding all the mandatory details, add in all the other details. You can also add additional details to your batches, such as the manufacturer, manufacturer batch, manufacturer date, and manufacturer expiry. Once done, click on Save, and the batch would be created. If you wish to create multiple batches, you can follow the same process. Just click on Add Batch and fill the form. Once you click on Save and Add Item, the item would be added to your inventory dashboard. If you wish to view details regarding the batches that you have created, you can do so from the View section on the inventory dashboard. Under the Batches section, you'll be able to see all the batches that you have created for the product. Once you are done adding the batches, you can record the batch details every time your item is transacted, whether it's creating an invoice, making stock adjustments, or handling stock transfers. For example, while creating an invoice, add the item, and to add the batch details, click on Add Batches. Then, select the batch from the batch drop-down, the warehouse, and quantity. If you wish to add more batches, you can do so from the Select New Batch option and follow the same process. Similarly, while stock adjustment, you can follow the same process and adjust one or more batches. And in case of stock transfer, simply select the appropriate batch associated with the item being transferred. Now, if you want to view transaction of an item, go to View option, and under the Transaction section, you'll be able to see all the transactions such as invoice creation, stock in, stock out, etc. And that's it.